Well, I have my Live Good hat on that matches my blue Def Leppard t-shirt, and I'm feeling pretty damn cool right now. Kinda. Although I look like a goofball, don't I? Hey, congrats to Live Good. Looking at their numbers, 8+ million in just product sales. Boy, that is just outstanding. And the affiliate division of this company just kicked off, what, about December 13th, and it's May 13th or 14th now, if I remember right. So in 5 months to do 8 million a month already, outstanding. As far as affiliates, we hit 292,000. Check it out. I even have the little thing here. I was all excited to just, kind of go like this, like dun da da da, 292,000, and then I hit refresh, and now we're all over. We're over 300,000 now. But still, can you guys pretend we're at 292? So here we go, like dun. I want some action. That's high caliber special effects. Because if you watch how to make YouTube videos, it's like, okay, talk for 5 seconds and then go like this. Talk for 3 seconds and go like this. You know what I mean? And then, shrink yourself up and maybe go like this again. Because people's attention spans, they're short. Boy, if you have a video over 15 seconds, you're a reel or a short or a snippet. Oh my gosh, there's just so much advice on what to do to get people's attention. I'm just going to be myself. If I watch another video how to be interesting, I'm going to I might be interesting. I might be one video away from being interesting. It's, one thing that's funny, and this is probably true, but I don't care. They say don't have a cluttered wall in back of you because people won't really pay attention to maybe what you're saying. They'll be looking on your back walls of the space shuttle or maybe Wonder Woman, like in a Kiss t-shirt with no pants on, or maybe a Kiss drum set, or what's on my fridge. The other day, see right here, the other day, a person goes, God, you got like ADD, LMNOP, and I go, why? Because it looks like your coffee mate stuff and all your vitamins are all in a row and the labels are out. And I'm like, you're dang right. Did you ever see that movie, Sleeping with the Enemy? I think it's Julia Roberts, and she's married to a guy, and he has all the vitamins and all the soup cans. The labels are out, and how they know that there's a killer in the house or something is the towels. He's hanging the towels, and they're perfectly straight. And when he goes in the bathroom, one's crooked, and that kind of like solves the mystery that someone's in the house and hurry to get out before they get killed. And I'm watching that movie going, man, I relate to that killer guy. I mean, my soup cans and even my vitamin cans or bottles are all straight. Even the dang things hanging in back of me are straight. All right. Well, anyway, congrats. That's really cool. Live Good's so awesome. If you guys are just Googling and maybe catch this video, Live Good, it's an opportunity, okay? Call it what you want. It can be an affiliate type networking MLM woo-dacky. I don't know what a woo-dacky is. I just made that up. But it's a way to earn money, a way to make money, and a good way to get wholesale products on health and wellness and put in your guts. That's kind of in a nutshell what Live Good is. It says so on my hat. And I believe everything I read on the internet on someone's hat. So if you want to live good, you want to feel good. That's my favorite slogan when I think of this company. Protein powder, CBD oil, just awesome vitamins, nutritional supplements, super reds and super greens, which is just pomegranates and green vegetables and all this health ground up into a powder. You can mix it with like a shake or just put it in some dang ice cold water and sip on it. And I like it. It's not that I love the taste like a chocolate shake, but I'm so used to them now. I drink them just like it's water. And I really do feel good for me. All right. I'm living good. I'm feeling good just by taking the products alone. So good on you, Live Good. For a membership of $9.95. And that's not $995, folks. That's $9.95. That's all it takes to be a member. Most people can afford that. And when you see how much you can save on these products, and I always, every video I say, these are not swap meet, all a dollar rejected supplements from someone's health store that went out of business 4 years ago. Because sometimes when you go to like all a dollar, you're like, God darn, those products are sure good. and everything's $1. So, and then you get home and you open up a can of this or a package of that, and it's all cakey and flaky. The soup is green and it's supposed to be chicken noodle. You buy tomato soup and it's yellow. You're like, well, how fresh is this? I don't know, but it's $1. So buy 10 of them. Oh my God. It is fun to go to the dollar stores, but I'll tell you, when it comes to nutritional products, you should probably care a little bit, just a little bit. You'll hear that phrase in life. This is one of them. Care about your body. When you're born in the 60s, like my getting old ass, you want to have energy. You want to have a sense of humor. You want to have long fried hair and tired face. And darn it, that's what I've achieved after all these years. Thank you, LiveGood. So, kidding aside, the products are awesome. If you want to see for yourself, just, underneath this video, I think it says join Corey. I'm pretty sure after 5 million videos of having a capture page, I think I got it memorized. But yeah, you can check out LiveGood. Just put your name, email address. You don't have to sign up. There's no contracts. There's nothing to buy. It's just a free tour. Relax for about 6 minutes and you can listen to Ben, our CEO. It's a well-made video. It just shows what where the company is from, its roots, where Ben is from and what he's done. And then it gets into our products a little bit and the opportunity. And in 5-6 minutes, if you watch the first 10 seconds and it's not for you, you just turn it off and move on with your day. If you want to know about the products, you know how to get to the website and just tear it apart. Check out all the wholesale and retail, wholesale versus retail prices. And then if you want to be an affiliate, you can do that as well. And there's plenty of information on how to become an affiliate. Most people want to know how much and what are the guidelines. How many hoops do I got to jump through? Well, two $20 bills. It's just $40. That's it. Pretty cool price. And that's a one-time thing. That ain't every month. Because some MMMs, they do have like things you got to do each month to earn money. The worst part is you have to buy your own product to pretend to sell. That's my favorite. You get like $1,000 of body deodorant and shampoo, and your neighbors think, God, does that family have fried hair and really have body odor? Because, man, they got 700 bottles of deodorant and shampoo in their garage, and now they're parking their car on the outside of the house to make room for all their products on the inside of the garage. This company's not like that. Everything's freshly shipped right out of Jupiter, Florida. Right now I watched a video of CEO Ben with some of the guys over there in Jupiter. And yeah, the distribution building they have now, they've kind of outgrown it. And Ben says that they're moving into a second location that is bigger and badder. Probably like Batmobile and the Bat Cave, and there's probably some cool stuff. I'm sure there's even a video game and a break room with some pretty cool products in there. But yeah, they look like they're having a lot of fun. And when you're doing $8 million of sales already, that's outstanding. And Ben the other day on a Zoom call said they hardly have any mess ups. I like what he does with the shipping and handling department. They all get $100 cash, theoretically. And if they mess up, it costs them $5 a mess up. Like, for example, if they send you something too much of, or maybe the wrong product of, it comes out of the shipping and handling's pockets. And he said only one guy messed up last month. He messed up 3 times. So it was minus $15. And he's like, dang it. But, when you're doing that many products and you're growing so fast because of the products are so awesome, that's cool. I love that Ben and everyone else has a sense of humor and they keep it fun back there. But he said, worldwide packaging is just outstanding. It's dang near 100% accurate, which is great. And distribution to Canada is set up. Europe is set up. So your shipping and handling is not, for example, let's say one of our products is $18, like CBD oil. Your shipping is not $49 to $50. Okay. Because I notice when I go to buy something on eBay or something else, it could be, oh God, that Kiss album, man, it's only $15. You know what? I've always wanted to kind of hang that on my wall. And then you see shipping is $482. So album 50, shipping $482. So for about $550, I can get that dang Kiss album. That's not how this company is. There's never any bait and switch. There just really isn't. You can see the products and their ingredients. You can see how much it costs just to buy it. Shipping is always going to be an if. How much? Where's it going? But here in America, it's just shipped with the United States Post Office and with tracking. So, it could, my average shipping is usually five something. It could get as high as 10 if I have multiple products like CBD oil for my friends and some super reds and super greens. But distribution is set up over in Europe too. So if you live in Germany or France or Spain, if you do order some products, it is not like from Jupiter prices, Florida, then bounces in London and then bounces in Germany. So your shipping's not $100 on an $18 bottle of CBD oil. So rest assured, Ben and Nodder and the gang, they want to make sure that the products are absolutely wholesale, which they are. But then shipping too. Shipping's got to be awesome. It's got to be a combo package because obviously you got your $9.95 a month, and then you've got your wholesale prices in shipping. And that comes up now and then. Once a week I'll probably go, or someone will go, well, I know it's probably wholesale, but what about the shipping with the membership fee? And all I tell them is like, look, I was buying these products before I became an affiliate. I did it because with shipping and handling, with my membership, I was saving, I would say around 50 to 75 bucks a month on products that are probably better with LiveGood. And I'm not just saying it because I have a LiveGood hat on. I'm saying it because someone has a gun in my back and I have to do it or they'll shoot me. No, it's not too hard nowadays. You can actually look at like a GNC online. You can look at Walmart. There's so many ways to verify what an average wholesale retail price is of products now. It's really hard to bullcrap and bait and switch. Thanks to the internet, everything's a playing field. And when it comes to wholesale prices with a membership, mixed with shipping, it's dramatically cheaper. And I think you'll find the same results because I sure have. So, with LiveGood, what a cool company. If you're searching for an online opportunity, I think you'd be happy with this company. The way that it's structured, the people are fun. I think that it's quite easy and fun to market. And there's so many ways from TikTok, Instagram, email. I've been using some AI software, which is artificial intelligence. Now, I don't look like I have any intelligence, but I do look artificial. So when I use artificial intelligence, I feel halfway bonded to it. So, but it's going good. I'm getting pre-enrolled people, which are just people that they're taking it serious. They go in the capture page and they're like, you know what? Let's look at this opportunity. Sometimes pre-enrolled people, they just within an hour or two, they're like, screw it. I'm just going to join. I got $9.95 in my pocket. I got a couple $20 bills. Let's rock and roll. So for $49.95, you're locked into a membership and you're an affiliate. And if you want to save money on your membership fee, for $100, you can get 2 free months. So it's up to your budget though. I'm easy going. I don't make any more or less if you do $100 a year and get 2 free months versus the $9.95. I just hope you do the 100 so that you don't forget you got it, because with LiveGood, there's no auto pay. You don't put your credit card in something and then it pays something like the 1st or 5th of the month. So if you do this as an affiliate, just think about this. This is important too. If you start getting some traction, and I mean buying the product, you're loving it, you're an affiliate, and you start getting people signed up underneath you and things are going well, you might forget to pay your monthly membership of $9.95 the next month. And usually the company will notify you quite a few times, but the best scenario is how you miss paying for the month and you lose your whole downline and you got to start from scratch is if you go like hiking or fishing, let's say somewhere, a beautiful lake and river up in Montana somewhere, and you really just don't have any type of computer access. And by the time billing is due, you miss it. And then you're like, gosh, I got to start all over again. So don't let that happen. And it's up to you. I'm easy going, like I said, whatever your budget is. I think LiveGood will live up to what it says. And it's going to make you live good, feel good. And on top of that, there's a really good chance you can earn some nice money just with some effort. Get good at 1 or 2 things. You don't have to be an expert in TikTok or Cramstagram or whatever. I don't even know half the social medias anymore. But just get good at one thing. And if you need AI software, I got a deal for you there if you'd like to look into it at half off. And gosh, I can't give a better review for LiveGood. I think that the reason why it is so popular online is a lot of people are just, they're making money. and they're liking the products. Those are always going to be the two things. And at this point, I can't complain. I use the products, I'm making money, and it's fun. So when I'm having fun, it's hard to stop. So that's kind of my thing. You can look at 100 other YouTube videos out there about other people's opinions with the company. But anyway, if you want to sign up, just look at the video link. It's right below this. You just click it, I guess what I mean, and it'll go to a video, and it's free. Keep your credit card, debit card, keep whatever, your birthday card or maybe your Mother's Day card, because today's Happy Mother's Day, and Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. And that's it, folks. So way to go, live good. Feeling good. That's right. I'm going to get up and stretch. I've been doing some work here this afternoon. I'm going to have me like probably a little sandwich or something. Have me a little shake, maybe a super red one. I had a green one last time. I'm going to mix it up. I go red, green, red, green. So probably going to do a super reds drink, give me some energy, and go celebrate Mother's Day like we should, at least for a couple hours. And then tonight I'm going to come back and make a handful of other videos. I have a good time with the old YouTube. So, all right. Well, you guys live good and you feel good. And I don't think you'll regret it one bit if you climb aboard. And if you join my group, we'll make sure that you learn how to market properly if you don't know how. And if you get stuck in a week or two, I think with AI, artificial intelligence, that darn thing, it can get you some darn leads and some darn emails made. And man, gosh, you might even meet some darn people. Darn shooting. There's a darn tooting. All right, I'm starving. It's sandwich time for this kid. Okay, I'll probably do peanut butter and jelly, which is probably the most fattening, worst sandwich ever made, but they're damn good. So, all right, peace and love. Another video is going to pop up on my left and on my right side of my brain cells, because I got 2 brain cells, and they're going to probably disappear when these videos pop up. So, okay, take care, guys. We'll see you next video.